How to use two accounts at the same time on Roblox Mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in order to use two accounts at the same time on the Roblox Mobile app, you need to follow the simple steps. First of all, go ahead and open your Roblox application on your device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the More option in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Log Out and log back again with another account. So you can either log into an existing account or create a new one, and then you will be able to use two accounts simultaneously on the Roblox application. Or another thing you can do is, if you're using the Roblox app, go ahead and open your browser, and from there go to roblox.com, log into your account, and then tap on any game that you'd like to play. And if the double app feature is available in your phone, that way you can also play two different accounts on a same device on Roblox. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you also have any further questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.